Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the ship. That's all. Filling bucket dredger. Let's choose the refueling gun of the same. That's all. Let's prepare the rock. Tap on the screen to begin the work. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're approaching a coral. Let's turn the wheel. An island directly ahead. Turn the wheel to the right to... Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Look, it's a sticker. Let's drag the sticker onto its shadow. Done! Complete the levels to get all the stickers. We need to assemble. Crane ship. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. We did it! Let's build the lighthouse base. And now we will be heading to the port. There is a coral reef right rudder. There's an island on right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Pull the lever down to sound a blast to it. Let's pull the lever of the horn down. Great! We got past all the obstacles. A new sticker! Hooray! We need to assemble. Mast crane. Done! Filling. Mast crane. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's place the walls. We need to wash. Mast crane. Move the foamer along the ship to foam it. Move the washer along the ship to clean up the rest of the foam. Don't stop. Look, it's a sticker. Done. We need to assemble. Container ship. Filling. Container ship. Pump. We did it! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Let's drag a member of the crew into the room of the right color. Don't stop. Let's put the top part on. Keep it up. We need to assemble. Red barge! Ready. Let's load the materials into red barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load it. Amazing! Let's add the windows and doors. We need to wash. Red barge! Hooray! Wow, a new sticker! Amazing! First, we need to assemble ship carrier. Ready. Filling. Ship carrier. Pump. We did it! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. That's all. Let's build the pier. We did it! We need to assemble. Yellow barge. it up. And now, let's load the materials into Yellow Barge. Keep up the good work. Let's add some plants. The lighthouse on the rocks is finished. Now it will show the way to ships.